Hello student, good morning. Today we will study chapter 7 Glimpses of India, third part. First part is A Baker from Goa, second part is Kurg and third part is Tea from Assam जो हम आज पढ़ेंगे. Okay. Pranjul, a youngster from Assam, is Rajveer's classmate at school in Delhi. So Pranjul and Rajveer are studying in Delhi. Okay. Pranjul's father is a manager of a tea garden in Upper Assam, and Pranjul has invited Rajveer to visit his home during the summer vacation. There is a season of summer and it was summer vacation, and Pranjul has invited Rajveer to visit his place or visit his village in Upper Assam. Chai, garam chai, a vendor called out in a high pitched voice. Vendor जो बेचता है फिर या उसको कहते हैं वेंडर. ओके, सो वेंडर कोल्ड आउट साउटेड for his selling. He was selling the garam chai. He came up to their window and asked, "Chai saab?" So Pranjul and Rajveer are going to Assam. Okay, और वो ट्रेन में बैठे हैं. एंड हियर थोड़ी देर के लिए जो होल्ट होता है वहाँ पर वो होल्ट में ये चाय बेचने वाला आता है. Give us 2 cups, Pranjul said. They sipped the steaming hot liquid. Sipped means took with lips. जो चाय की चुस्की लेते हैं उसको सिप्स कहते हैं. दे सिप्ड द स्टीमिंग ऑफ हॉट लिक्विड. हॉट लिक्विड क्या है? चाय है. ऑलमोस्ट एवरीवन इन देयर कंपार्टमेंट वॉज ड्रिंकिंग टी टू. एंड वो जो कंपार्टमेंट में थे तो ऑलमोस्ट एवरीवन जो है वो दे वर ड्रिंकिंग टी. Do you know that over 80 crore cups of tea are drunk every day throughout the world? Rajveer said. So Rajveer said the information that every day 8 crores cups of tea are drunk in all over the world. Whew! Exclaimed Pranjul. Tea really very popular. The train pulled out of the station. Pranjul buried his nose in his detective book again. And here, as they were in train, so Pranjul was reading something and buried his nose means वापस वो बुक रीड करने बैठ जाता है. Rajveer too was an ardent मतलब strong fan of detective stories, but at the moment he was keener on looking at the beautiful scenery. As outside there was beautiful scenery, so जो राजवीर है actually he is fond of reading stories, especially detective stories, but this time keener मतलब too much interested. लेकिन इस वक्त वो इतना इंटरेस्टेड बुक में नहीं बट बाहर की सीनरी देखने में था. It was green everywhere. Rajveer had never seen so much greenery before. Then the soft green paddy fields gave way to tea bushes. वहाँ पर paddy fields जो थे और ग्रीन टी बुशेस जो वहाँ पर थे. एक्चुअली आसाम थोड़ा हिली एरिया है तो हिली एरिया में और ज़्यादा बारिश होती है, वहाँ पर टी जो है वो उसका क्रॉप लिया जाता है. इट वॉज अ मैग्निफिशेंट व्यू. मैग्निफिशेंट मीन्स अद्भुत, वो अद्भुत नज़ारा था. अगेंस्ट द बैकड्रॉप ऑफ डेंसली वुडेड हिल्स अ सी ऑफ टी बुशीज स्ट्रेच्ड एज फार एज द आई कुड सी. यहाँ पर एक वर्ड है स्ट्रेच मतलब खींचा हुआ. ओके, तो यहाँ पर देखिए सी ऑफ टी. सो टी गार्डन्स आर कंपेयर्ड विथ द सी हियर. तो यहाँ पर जैसे उसका एक समंदर था, जैसे कि टी मतलब टी गार्डन का जैसे समंदर था. एज फार एज आई कुड सी, जहाँ पर भी देखो टी गार्डन ही नज़र आते थे, टी बुशेस ही नज़र आते थे. ड्वार्फिंग. सो हियर द वर्ड ड्वार्फिंग मीन्स मेकिंग शॉर्ट. द टाइनी टी plants were tall, sturdy shade trees, and amidst the orderly rows of bushes busily moved doll-like figures. And here, making short and sturdy means strong, जहाँ पर भी नज़र जाती थी यहाँ पर टी बुशिश है वही नज़र आती थी. टोल एंड स्टर्डी मतलब स्ट्रॉन्ग, शेड ट्रीज एंड अमिड्स उसके बीच में ऑर्डरली पूरी रो में ये बुशिश को उगाया गया था और ऐसा लगता था जैसे डोल लाइक फिगर हो. In the distance was an ugly building with smoke billowing out of tall chimney. यहाँ पर एक वर्ड billowing means coming out. And here there was an ugly building. Rajveer could see that there is an ugly building, and from that building there was smoke that was coming out from the chimney. Hey, a tea gardener! Rajveer cried excitedly. Here Rajveer was excited because he had never seen such kind of greenery in his life. Pranjal, who had been born and brought up on the plantation, didn't share Rajveer's excitement. But here Rajveer was not excited because he already born there and brought up there in a green एटमॉस्फेयर इन अ ग्रीनरी. वो ग्रीन एटमॉस्फेयर और ग्रीनरी में ऑलरेडी वहाँ पर वो ब्रोटअप हुआ था, इसीलिए वो इतना एक्साइटेड नहीं था क्योंकि वहाँ पर तो वो पला बड़ा था. ओह, दिस इज़ अ टी कंट्री नाउ, ही सेड. आसाम हैज़ द हाइएस्ट concentration of plantation in the world. You will see enough gardens to last you a life. And Pranjal had said that Assam has the largest concentration of plantation in the world. पूरे विश्व में वहाँ पर लार्जेस्ट कॉन्सेंट्रेशन मतलब कि वहाँ पर बड़े बड़े जो प्लांटेशन है टी के वहाँ पर फार्म्स जो है वो लगाए गए हैं. यू विल सी इनफ गार्डन्स टू लास्ट यू अ लाइफ टाइम मतलब कि पूरी लाइफ टाइम में यहाँ पर इतनी गार्डन्स जो है वो देखने मिलेंगी. I have been reading as much as I could about tea, Rajveer said. No one really knows who discovered tea, but there are many legends. So Rajveer had said that he had read somewhere about how the tea was discovered, and actually no one knows how it was discovered, but some legends are there. कुछ ऐसी उसके बारे में कुछ बातें हैं, कुछ legends है, कुछ stories है जो उसके बारे में बताई गई है. What legends? कौन सी कथा है, कौन सी बातें उसके बारे में बताई गई है? Well, there is the one about the Chinese emperor who always boiled water before drinking it. Okay, so here there is one legend. There was a Chinese emperor, Chinese king. He used to boil the water before drinking it. One day, a few leaves of the twigs burning under the boat fell into the water, giving it a delicious flavor. And one day, some of the leaves that fell into the boiled water, then it seemed very delicious to the king. It is said that they were tea leaves, और ऐसा कहा जाता है. It is said that those were tea leaves, and in this way the tea was discovered. So this is Chinese legend. Now about Indian legend. Tell me another, scoffed Pranjal. Here Pranjal was so excited and he asked, okay, tell me another, दूसरी बात बताओ. We have an Indian legend too. Bodhidharma, an ancient Buddhist ascetic means जो एक monk life को follow करता हो, साधु हो, cut off his eyelids because he felt sleepy during meditation. So this is the Indian legend that there was a monk and he wanted to do the meditation, but during the meditation he felt sleepy. तो उसने क्या किया, उसके eyelids जो थी वो कट कर दी. 10 tea plants grew out of the eyelids, और उसके eyelids जहाँ पर गिरे वहाँ पर tea plants जो है वो वहाँ पर उग कर निकल आए. The leaves of these plants when put into hot water and drunk banished sleep. Banished means ousted, यानी कि चाय पीने के बाद, टी लेने के बाद जो नींद है वो उड़ जाती है. Tea was first drunk in China, Rajveer added. as far back as 2700 BC, before Christ. In fact, words such as tea, chai, and chini are from Chinese. So, Rajveer also added that chai is the word that is from China, और चाय जो है उसमें से चीनी मतलब शुगर, ये जो आइटम्स है वो चाइनीज़ की है. Tea came to Europe only in 16th century and was drunk more as medicines than as a beverage. Beverage means a drink. So it was the time when people used to drink tea as a medicine but not as a drink. But बाद में उसको एक ड्रिंक की एज ए ड्रिंक उसको लेने लगे. द ट्रेन क्लैटर्ड इनटू Mariani Junction. The boys collected their luggage and pushed their way to the crowded platform. अब उसके destination पर वो पहुँच गए थे. As they were at their destination, Pranjal's parents were waiting for them. And here, Pranjal's parents were already waiting for Pranjal and Rajveer. Soon they were driving towards Dekiabari, the tea garden managed by Pranjal's father. So Dekiabari is a place where Pranjal's father is a manager in a tree plantation garden. An hour later the car wheeled. Wheeled means moved at once from. Okay, so an hour later the car wheeled sharply off the main road. They crossed a Kettle Bridge and enter Dekiabari tea estate. So here the place is given कि वो कहाँ से अपना जो रास्ता है वो पसंद करते हैं और डेकियाबारी जो टी इस्टेट है वहाँ पर वो पहुँचते हैं. They reached there. On both sides of the gravel road, it means stony road, were acre upon acre of tea bushes, and in acres and acres there were tea bushes, all neatly pruned to the same height, and all the tea bushes were cut in a same height. Groups of tea pluckers with bamboo baskets on their back, wearing plastic aprons, were plucking the newly sprouted leaves, and the laborers were there and they were having bamboo basket on their back, means अपनी पीठ के पीछे वो bamboo basket लेकर वो जो है टी स्टेट में टी जो गार्डन है वहाँ पर वो प्लक कर रहे थे. They were plucking the sprouted leaves, wearing plastic aprons, and those laborers worn plastic aprons and they were plucking the newly sprouted leaves. Pranjal's father slowed down to allow a tractor pulling a trailer load of tea leaves to pass. So here his father allowed a tractor which was full of sprouted leaves, cutting the sprouted leaves, and it was loaded on a tractor trolley. So his father allowed that tractor to pass. This is the second flush of sprouting period, isn't it, Mr. Barua? So Rajveer asked. Mr. Barua is father of Pranjal. तो उसने उसको पूछा कि ये आपका सेकंड फ्लश होगा. इट्स लास्ट फ्रॉम मे टू जुलाई एंड यील्ड द बेस्ट टी. तो मे टू जुलाई जो होती है वो बेस्ट टी, जो फ्लश होता है वो बेस्ट टी का होता है. You seem to have done your homework before coming, Pranjal's father said in surprise. So Pranjal's father asked two boys that they might have completed their homework. Yes, Mr. Barua, Rajveer admitted. Admitted means agreed. So Rajveer agreed that they had completed their homework. But I hope to learn much more while I'm here. So Rajveer also excited and he said that he hoped that he will learn something more from that place. So in this lesson कोई टेक्स्ट बुक में कोई क्वेश्चन आंसर नहीं है, बट थिंकिंग अबाउट द लैंग्वेज जो है वो आपकी टेक्स्ट बुक में आप फिल कर लेना. ओके, एंड जनरली दो क्वेश्चन है जो पूछे जाते हैं बोर्ड में भी. विच आर टू लेजेंड्स अबाउट टी, how the tea was discovered. So one, there is Chinese legend and another is Indian legend. So in homework you have to write about two legends of the tea. Again I'm telling you, you have to write in your homework book अबाउट 2 लेजेंड्स ऑफ द टी, हाउ द टी वॉज डिस्कवर्ड, और उसके 2 लेजेंड्स है उसके बारे में आपको लिखना है। थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे।